You won't believe these laws are still real. No, I'm not talking about some ancient rules from a dusty history book. These are laws that people can still get fined, arrested, or warned for breaking today. From toilets, to pigeons, to donkeys tied to street poles. Let's count down the top 5 weirdest laws still active around the world. Let's start with number 5. In Switzerland, one of the cleanest and most organized countries on earth. Sounds peaceful, right? Well, in some Swiss apartment buildings, flushing your toilet after 9 p.m. is considered illegal or against local noise rules. Yes, a toilet. At night. Why? Because Switzerland takes noise pollution very, very seriously. The sound of flushing can disturb your neighbors, and disturbing the peace at night is a huge no-no. Imagine waking up at midnight and having to choose between breaking the law or just holding it until morning. I guess that's what you call luxury country problems. Next stop, at number 4, we have Japan. Japan is famous for politeness, respect, and a lot of social rules. And words matter a lot. Calling an older woman obeisant can actually be incredibly offensive, depending on how and who you say it to. In Japanese culture, calling someone old, even if you don't mean it badly, is considered rude. The wrong tone or context can be seen as disrespectful and socially unacceptable. You probably won't go to jail for it, but socially, you might be done. The lesson here is that in Japan, language isn't just about communication, it's a reflection of the entire culture. Now let's head over to the United States for number 3, Alabama, to be exact. In some towns, certain types of public dancing have been restricted or even outright banned. We're talking about suggestive dancing, unapproved public performances, and dancing without permits in certain areas. Yes, your dance moves could technically get you in trouble. No wild choreography, no unexpected street performances. Just calm, legally approved vibes, so next time you feel like breaking into a dance in public, you might want to check the local law first. Alright, number 2 is one that surprises a lot of tourists. In Venice, Italy, feeding pigeons is illegal. Why? Because the massive pigeon population damages historic buildings, statues, and landmarks that are hundreds of years old. The city got tired of constantly cleaning up bird mess, so they banned feeding them completely. The fines can reach hundreds of euros, and in extreme cases, repeated violations can lead to serious legal trouble. So, if you're in Venice, take all the photos you want, ride the gondolas, but whatever you do, don't feed the pigeons. And finally, the weirdest one of them all, at number 1. In some US states, it is illegal to tie your donkey to a lamppost. Yes, a donkey, a street lamp. This law dates all the way back to the old days when donkeys were a common form of transportation and people kept blocking the streets with them. Obviously, nobody really enforces this today, but it's still technically a law. Somewhere out there, a donkey is being protected by the legal system. The world is strange, and as we've seen, the laws are even stranger. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and comment which law shocked you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more weird, true facts from around the world. Thanks for watching.